Hello everyone, welcome to my channel That Databricks Guy, your new go-to place to learn Databricks. Now the first question that would come to your mind is why this channel exists? I simply say to become your go-to place to learn Databricks. Honestly, Databricks is an incredibly powerful tool, but it is difficult to learn without proper guidance, and I'm here to provide that guidance. Welcome to That Databricks Guy. I'm providing a single structured place to learn Databricks clearly from absolute basics to most advanced concept. We focus on building mastery step by step. Now, whether you're a data engineer, a data scientist, a data analyst, a student, or a job seeker, everyone will be helped by this course. What will you learn? I quite simply say everything. We'll cover Lakehouse architecture, Delta Lake fundamentals, Unity catalog governance, and much more. The concepts which are present in Databricks, we'll cover each and every one of them. From the very basics to the most advanced concepts. The videos are going to be beginner friendly and optimal length. You will get hands-on examples explained with real world context. You will learn Databricks the way it is actually used in professional projects. A natural question that would come to your mind is who is behind this channel? My name is Piyush. I'm a tech lead at a major product based company with over 8 years of hands on experience in building real world data and AI use cases. I've spent years working with PySpark, Unity Catalog, Delta Lake, and many more technologies which are in Databricks and Azure Cloud. And I'm passionate about simplifying these complex concepts for you. And since Databricks is something which evolves very quickly, I will learn along with guiding you. Let's learn Databricks together. Subscribe to my channel, That Databricks Guy, and join me on this journey to mastery. I'll see you in the next video where we'll begin with what Databricks actually is and why it is more relevant in 2026. Till then, let's build something intelligent. See you guys.